look what happened to the disaster that came, seriously, from yesterday.
The windstorm.
The windstorm, that tornado. Sticks everywhere, leaves everywhere. Stuff is broken. That belongs to the tree.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we can go. Like, guess what?
What?
We can hop over the fence instead of knocking on their door. Let's go look at it. And the owl fell. And the stick fell. I'm surprised this owl didn't fall.
Oh, I know.
And my horsey. Oh. The oranges fell. The fence is broken. The plants are
Oranges
broken.
everywhere.
There's oranges everywhere. My stick fell. Can I pick it up?
Yeah.
Spiky.
The bird feeder fell.
My slide fell.
Your great grandma's thing broke.
It's a statue. The pot fell.
Yeah, the statue.
What's my bouncy balls? Why is my bouncy balls staying over here?
I don't
Where's
know.
my pool here? And then half of the tree's gone.
Yeah.
That is a disaster. Tornado.
Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised also that the parents didn't go out, I think. And they also destroyed it.
Yeah.
And it's cracked. And I think some of the stuff goes all the way to next door.
All this from the windstorm.
And earlier today I saw a fire over there.
Oh yeah, and there's a fire in the mountains, but it moved. I think it's over there now.
Poor backyard.
Okay.
And you see what happened over there.
Oh yeah, let's go look over there.
Let me cut them.
Hmm? Got a lot of cleaning to do.
And also one more thing.
What?
And the chairs
Yeah.
are in different directions. Bye. That was our disaster tour from this windstorm or tornado that hit this place,
In what state are we in?
California,
Yeah.
and where the wind was trying to get to.
Mm-hmm.
Subscribe.
Nolan's gonna go clean up.